Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in on Easypaisa account on two mobile phone. First, it's important to understand one thing. Easy Mobile official allows only one active device at a time. This means you cannot use the same Easypaisa account on two phones at the same time, but you can log in another phone by using verification your number. If you want to log into your ePaisa account on the second mobile, first install the ePaisa account from the App Store or Play Store. Then open the app and enter your registration mobile number and tap login. ePaisa will send a one-time verification code, also called an OTP. Type your registration number, make sure the SIM card is active and with you. Enter the OTP in the app to verify your identification. Once verified, ePaisa will log you out from the first phone automatically and activate your account on the second phone. If ePaisa asks you to create or enter your PIN, follow the instruction on the screen. If you want to switch back to the first phone, repeat the same process there. Remember, only one phone can stay logged in at a time. For the security reason, never share your OTP or PIN with anyone. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.